Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a 10 metre Karcher drain cleaning hose. This particular drain cleaning hose, it's a highly flexible hose, so it will go around all your U-bends and tight corners. It benefits from one forward facing nozzle and 3 rear facing nozzles. The forward facing nozzle hits the back of the bullet on the end of this spring and makes the end of the actual drain cleaning nozzle wiggle about, and it will dig a little hole through the obstruction. The 3 rear facing nozzles drive the hose along the drain, flushing out the drain. You'll notice the standard Karcher Domestic bayonet connector, so that will push and twist into a standard Karcher gun. So whether you've got a K series, K2, 3, 4, 5 or K7, or any of the latest Karcher Comfort, Car, full control pressure washers, this particular drain hose will fit, and that's the 10 metre drain cleaning hose from Karcher.